In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Discord Developer Mode. Whether you're a developer, a server administrator, or just a curious user, enabling Developer Mode in Discord can unlock a host of additional features and functionality that can enhance your experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to have the Discord application open on your device. If you're on a computer, ensure that you've logged into your account. You'll notice various panels and icons, but for now, let's focus on the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the user settings. It's represented by a little gear icon right next to your profile picture and username. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will open up a new menu with multiple options tailored to your account and app experience. Once you're in the user settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see a list of various categories ranging from account, privacy, and safety to voice and video. Navigate through these options and look for the section labeled Advanced. It might be somewhere near the bottom, so just scroll down a bit if you need to. When you find Advanced, click on it. This will bring up a new page dedicated to settings that are a bit more technical in nature. Now, here's where we're going to make the crucial change. On the Advanced Settings page, you'll notice a toggle for Developer Mode. By default, this is usually set to off, especially if you've never tampered with these settings before. So, what you'll need to do is simply click on the toggle to switch it to the on position. Once you've done that, you've officially enabled Developer Mode. You might be wondering, what exactly does turning on Developer Mode do for you? Well, with Developer Mode enabled, you get access to unique features such as the ability to view user, server, and channel IDs, which can be necessary when you're building applications or setting up bots that need specific server information to function. Additionally, you'll be able to experiment with hidden features and tools that are especially useful if you're looking to tailor and optimize your own server's performance on Discord. That's all there is to it. Just 3 simple steps, and you've unlocked a whole new level of Discord functionality. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it equips you with the tools you need for your Discord projects or adventures. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out our other resources for more in-depth guides. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording!